Good morning world, it is 8:31 a.m. It is Tuesday today, I believe, and we are going to have a productive next 2 hours. I didn't stream yesterday because I had to spend some additional time working on my regular day-to-day job, but today I plan to make a lot of improvements. Well, at least whatever I can do in the next 2 hours. So first of all, I want to work on refactoring. So I actually did the work over the weekends, I believe, but now I need to merge the pull request. And then I have quite a lot of tickets to do. Not ticket, but basically requests and a couple of bug fixes. Let's go to Firefox, which I use for streaming. It's opening. Hopefully today my streaming software will not freeze and I'll be able to stream properly. github.com, and let's go to logs and pull requests. Okay, refactoring, and I also want to start my walking pad, so give me a moment. Let's say meditational walk for 30 minutes. Rhythmic. Okay, I think this one is going to be fine. One, go. Okay. Walking in the morning, it is nice, it is nice. Okay, so pull request. Let me also double check. No, everything looks fine. Okay, so merge pull request I want to squash. And merge it. Confirm and merge. Is branch going to be deleted? Nope. Okay, I have merged the pull request, so I want you to clean up the work tree, and yeah, thank you. Okay, nice. Okay, this one is going to be relatively fast. Now let's also open. What do we have? What do we have? Let's see. Do I have it here? Yes, I have it on my other screen. I will move it. And yeah, my system software is fine. Close this part. Close this. I want to pull from main. Okay, refactoring is pulled in, which is nice. And now I also want to go towards releases. And go to issues. And let's filter by labels, high priority. Okay, so basically we have a number of high priority things to do. The first thing I believe would be to fix the Apple Intelligence, because it's one of the default experiences and it's bad when user cannot do it properly. Okay, working tree is clean, blah blah blah. Okay, nice. Hi, I wanted to fix the Apple Intelligence part, because when users select Apple Intelligence, it provides gibberish polishing output. Potentially we may need to maybe take the data from inner part of the response. Basically, I will copy you what users get. Thank you. And meanwhile, I, by the way, want to let's see. So it was Apple Intelligence and snapshot. Yeah. Thank you, DZS squared, for the example. I also want to double check because I believe that it also happened that the bug is really there, but I want to double check myself. Models, and let's see, Apple Intelligence use. Okay, so I'm testing Apple Intelligence. Let's see how it works. Yep. Touching, testing, not touching. I don't want to touch Apple Intelligence. Okay, Apple Intelligence fix is in progress. Let's add label fix in progress. And let's go back. This one is also pretty tricky. And it's going to be kind of separate fix, so I will also just run it in parallel. Okay. And what I need to do now I need to quit my application and I need to go to applications folder and remove currently installed Vox because it is production one and I want to actually run non-production ones. Development build. So I will empty trash. Okay. And I will wait for this to be done. And meanwhile, what do I want to do meanwhile? I don't want to start two more in parallel, because otherwise they will all work in the same work tree. Yeah, I know that I was supposed to work in work trees, but for some reason I don't like it. Like, I am the only developer for now. I am okay pushing straight to master. Of course with testing, but yeah. So this one is also fixed in progress. This one actually should be quite easy. Now I will fix the bug. Okay, so I know that I actually should go to Reddit because over the weekends I received a couple of notifications from Reddit, but I didn't look through them. Okay. Let's see. This comment no longer exists, okay. I have more than 10 years of experience. Software engineering and manager. I was on both sides. Of hiring, promotion, etc. So I know the struggles. Pickup takes care of the fresh job matching part without needing VC money. What? Work job, okay, I see. So it's just someone marketed their own solution. was doing stream describing partial niche yielded stream element. We'll snapshot. Stream type session. The non-streaming field pass was unaffected. Okay, so let's test it. I don't have, so VM runtime redev. And I also need to make my AC lower in temperature because it's getting pretty hot outside. So yeah. Okay, it is running. Let's see. Let's double check that it uses Apple Intelligence. Models. Yep, Apple Intelligence. Okay, so I'm testing Apple Intelligence. So first I want for everything to work fine. Second, I want to make sure that there are no bugs, and finally I want to be everything done quickly. Yeah, so like Apple Intelligence honestly sucks. Like it wasn't able to do a lot. Make sure there are no bugs. Finally. Okay, let's test. Hey, how are you? Actually, disregard that. I want you to make me coffee. Like, it is working a little bit, but yeah. Okay, so commit message. Oh my god, my working pad is quite fast. Lol. And let's also see this part. Okay, let's see. What the heck? Okay, so this one. Let's see. Comments. Okay, so basically string describing partial function. Okay, so let's first commit this one. Here. Yeah. Commit. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, and let's see. So it has added error linger mess.
Like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Welcome to the stage with a drink like I'm giving on, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the
Okay, let's see. So what if I do? I want to make sure first that it really works. That I can reproduce the issue first, and then the issue was fixed. So I will stash my changes for now. Stash. Work on fixing the error pill. Lol. Work on fixing the error pill. Okay, so I noticed that Parakeet sometimes mismatches languages, and I didn't see this issue with Whisper. So it is quite interesting. Okay, so okay, let's try again. Okay, let's see the report then. It was this one. It is coming from Discord. Open application. Okay, so it was this one. But without saying anything, I get the following error message. Okay, what if I change to Gemma? Gemma 4, okay. Let's try. Copied, what it copied? Okay. Okay, so it's previous copy, whatever. Okay, so what if I try to change my mic? And let's see. MacBook Pro mic. So I can change it to my iPhone, then disconnect my iPhone, and then I think I should be able to reproduce it. Yes. Reconnect or... Okay, so this one disappears. It's ugly. Yes, there is a fix to be done about this pill, but it does disappear. But it is without this fix. So it was disappearing even before that. What the heck then? Okay, what if I go here? This one picks up my music. General one. Yay. Huh. Lol. So maybe it was already fixed. Discord. Let's see. No audio detected. Let's search through it. Okay, some... Check your mic. Why does it now successfully go through? I'm confused. Does it ever happen? Huh. Does it ever go inside? Okay, what if I change it to define because it cuts off everything silent? Well, okay, let me try. I will try and disable the mic and see how it goes. Okay, yes, so I was able to reproduce the issue with microphone fully disabled. And now if I unstash the changes... Stash. Apply stash. Work on fixing the error pill, this one. Okay. Now let's see. So first of all, okay, so regular one works fine, let's say. But, okay, so testing regular one. Yeah. This one works fine. Now,
if you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel.
okay, it went away, so it does work fine. Of course, UI should be improved a little bit, and maybe actually I will work on this. I'll apply the error pill after a few seconds. Commit. So I push these two, so if I go back, this one and this one, I need to unclick fix in progress and mark it as push not deployed. Okay.
Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time.
This one,
If you feel like letting go,
it's not really high priority, but it was one of the first requests that I got, so I don't know, maybe I should work on this.
gets you down, 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 gets you down,
Okay, let's work on this too. Next. Okay, so both of these are done.
bring the animal back to life.
Okay, so it was wrong one. Oop, wrong.
Bring the energy one more time.
Hey, I want you to improve my box application for it to check automatically for updates once in a while. I want you to run a product manager sub-agent to use your general knowledge and also to search the web and figure out when and how often to automatically check for updates. And if the app should be automatically updated. No, actually app shouldn't be automatically updated. But you should, app should show that, hey, update is available, click this button or something like that. But yeah, I want the PM sub-agent to find when and where to show this, how often. And then I want you to run a senior software engineer sub-agent to implement this and also make sure that it uses front-end design skill. After that, I want you to run a staff software engineer sub-agent to verify all code changes, make sure that no code is bloated, that code is perfect. And if it returns with any comments, issues, then verify them yourself and spin up one more sub-agent to fix everything. Thank you. Okay. Okay. This one is fine, a little bit a lot of text, but it is fine. And what this means? It means that this particular one is fixing progress. Okay. Hi, I have received a feature request from users to add an optional toggle. It should be opt-in toggle to improve the peel. So right now the initial state when it's listening it shows waveform, but some users want it to be able to show live transcript as it happens. so I want you to add this opt-in toggle to both settings and trade cover, and then implement the logic, of course. Make sure to use front-end design skill and follow all current design philosophy. And also, after you're done, run Task Software Engineer sub-agent to verify all code changes. And after that, if there are any issues, fix them. Thank you. Okay. Okay, it created a list, nice. Oh my god, walking pad is nice thing. Okay, these two are working. This one is also in progress. Label in progress. Now let's click the filter and let's see if we want to fix anything else. Maybe. Let's see. When switching mode while speaking, show new. Like yes, but no. Not yet, at least. Test downloading. Shoot. Okay, so for this one, I think that I will show a very small warning that if you use VPN, it might prevent. Yeah. So I will mark it as high priority and fix in progress. Okay. Okay. I want you to improve both onboarding flow and one part of the settings where user can download models and where all downloads happens. So, and I want you to add there a warning, kind of a warning saying that if download wasn't started, then maybe your VPN is at fault or something like that. Maybe first run product manager, sub-agent, to finalize the wording. So basically the issue is that some of the users who had VPN, they reported that they weren't able to download anything until they stopped their VPN running. And we need to somehow tell other users that if they see any issues with downloading, then VPN may be an issue. Thank you. Okay. Also make sure to run front-end design skill and make sure to follow current design philosophy. Okay. This is the third one. You came along and lifted me up. Okay, maybe one more, maybe, but let's see. The going got tough, but the tough got some love. This one, I don't know. Windows and Linux, it's important, but later, not right now. Point, already downloaded models, also good to have, but what if those models are a little bit different or something else? I also not sure that I want to work on it right now, because it will require a lot of testing. Doc as an option. No. Okay, so I want to test this one. Okay, actually it's very interesting because now when I'm going between different screens, everything is happening correctly, basically. Wait a moment. Yeah, interesting. Something was clicking in the walking pad, but it seems fine, I hope, at least. Rolling thunder, calling down my name. Okay. It got me scared a little bit. Why So it is interesting actually. Okay, so I cannot reproduce it. Let's see. Good first, help wanted, invalid. Fix. Okay, I will write to user later. And this one I will stop for now. And let's see, I saw that someone wrote something to general chat here. Potential feature request for consideration. I usually start by placing the cursor in the text entry box, invoking the code key. Okay.
Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder?
This one is very interesting because, so first of all, they should be able to copy it from the tray popover. And second of all, there is a mode which basically allows to not paste it directly but to the clipboard. So
Oh, stop your freight train. Let a lost man ride.
train a particular noun, name or label. Yes, so application also has this, already has it. So yeah, I just need to point user to these things. But my app is not running, so I cannot make any screenshots. Lol. Let's see. Working. Everyone is working. I have 14 more minutes, but honestly, I am kind of done with walking pad, and while these three are working, I want to move my walking pad to the side, and it will take some time. Okay. See, let me run Firefox, BRB, walking pad, moving walking pad. 5 minutes, I think it should be reasonable for this one, because yeah, I need to go back and forth. Okay. Have fun watching at this guy jumping.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join. tell my woman I'm gone, and I ain't coming back.
Okay, and I'm almost back. Okay.
Morning comes too early. Hands already warm.
Okay, I'm back. Let's see. This one is done, these two are still working. So I will wait a little bit. Just a little bit. But I actually also want meanwhile to add new issue about the pill. Bug. Okay, so what is it going to be? It is going to be bug, error, text, pill, takes too much space, let's say like this. Is high priority? Not really. Okay, and meanwhile I'll go to Reddit and let's continue answering other people. Credibility, okay, about. The fun begins here. Okay.
People talk about difference, but I just see the same. Every heart needs
Yeah. People marketing their own stuff. Thank you.
Need a name and we're deep. Children laughing somewhere, sounds of better days. Keep the light inside you, don't let the darkness stay.
Okay, let's see.
So sing a song for mercy.
One less crazy ones are effective behind them make sense.
We all walk this same good earth, just trying to ease our mind.
Okay, so I plan a Windows release in a couple of weeks. Couple of this. And I will also add this comment to my list. Windows. Here it is. Also from here. Okay. The compounding profile logic is sound for build cost, but it quietly ignores maintenance cost, and that's the part that kills multi-app solo plans. App 5 being just a new view on existing data is true the day you ship it. After this, it's a permanent bug queue, a permanent supporting box, and a permanent set of users expecting it to keep working while you build 6. Yeah, make sure. That makes sense. Yes. Shared data layer does nothing to reduce that linear load. 2. Live with the full maintenance reality of 2 for a few months and only then decide. Thank you for the deep insight. Interesting. Only one upvote. So I suppose that some people downvoted it, like 10k people, but it has 24 comments. Lol. Kindly computer open source. Yeah, thank you. Okay, nice. Very strange. It is supposed to warm models in 15-30 seconds. Can you try go to the previous screen and then back to the one with download and see if the continue button become enabled. Became should. Became. Or become. Okay, let's say is enabled. If it isn't, do you mind joining Discord? We can try to go into deeper details
Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake, Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going in my head. From everybody's problems, oh. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in, I got this. And it's on my soul, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in, I got this. And that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth.
Okay, so this one honestly looks like they just made a marketing comment for themselves, because otherwise there would be no need to add the link. So I think that I will just ignore it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, these one are still working. Come on. Come on. Okay, let's read through them meanwhile. Okay, so this one seems like almost done. With a full PM spec. The open questions and pointers. Interesting, so PM agent was running for quite some time.
Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra mano.
Keep the tray icon dot before urgent update plus beta channel features. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's answer.
El tambor fue el sol. Bailamos en aliento.
Okay, so this one is an interesting ask. I don't think that I will do it because, like, someone might love it, someone might hate it a lot. Because focus will jump when you potentially don't expect it or something like that, so yeah. So basically, we're clicking away from the conversation. By default, copies to the clipboard at the end instead of pasting into the text box.
No cambió, seguía en la piel y el polvo susurró. Recuerda tu valor.
From one side it makes sense, from the other side I definitely see a lot of users hating this unexpected focus switch. During the conversation, up by default copies to the clipboard instead of pasting into the text box. I personally use this approach since it allows me to do whatever I want while I am speaking. Forward. Should still working, come on. Okay, this one is done, at least something. We're almost done, and it's 9:21, so maybe we'll be able to do one more thing. Hopefully. And I also think that I will be doing some push-ups soon. So if you didn't press it like, then make sure to press it to make sure that I do more push-ups and I will be fit finally after years of being not really fit. Okay, let's see. So I will mark everything as red. Yep. And close Reddit. Okay, so we transfer viewer, so hopefully I will be able to run the application and screenshot a couple of things. Okay, quick settings, and this one is settings and then paste in focus field. With paste into focus field. Gold off.
Sometimes
can
all
I
you need is a little bit
edit
of
it?
confidence.
Spoiler, modify.
Sometimes just a little bit of self-respect.
Shoot.
Now it's my time to step out of my comfort zone. Take a chance. When I saw you coming out of the school that day, I knew.
Can I paste
I knew you'd
here?
never be mine.
Two.
It's just me in my own
Nope.
skin. Me in my own skin. Nobody's buying my lies, but that's no surprise. It's just me
Okay.
in my own skin.
Okay, let's edit it. Let's add some arrow. This one. Okay. In this case, I'll move this one to trash. That's okay. And I will delete this one and let me attach it from my other screen to make sure that I don't show anything sensitive. This one. Okay. Okay, so it was this and this one. Let me add dictionary. The app actually has dictionary in settings. Did you try it already and it didn't help? Did you try dictionary in settings? No. You should try dictionary in settings. Tell me if it resolves your issue or if it should be improved. Okay. Okay. So I think that I responded to both of these. Everything else I responded before. Yes, this one should be fixed. Let's see. Oh my god. 423k tokens, what? Interesting. Yeah, so it seems that it may take much longer because I do everything in the same work tree. I run them in parallel, and as a result, agents got confused about the changes, and they take additional time to figure out if these changes are from this session or not. So yeah, maybe it would make more sense to work in separate work trees if I run multiple things in parallel. Yeah, like, definitely would make sense, but yeah. Okay, so it basically did it did the feature request, but then it reviewed and the reviewer flagged quite a lot of things to improve. And yeah, from what I read, it also flags things from other sessions which are not part of this session, so yeah. Oh my god, a lot of changes, shoot. Okay, maybe what I can do? PM finalized copy to surfaces. Because users arrive at each with different expectations. Okay, onboarding. Lower stack, a VPN, firewall, or proxy can block downloads from Hugging Face in GitHub. Okay. Settings, summary. Okay, settings, but where exactly in settings? Onboarding, okay, in models, okay. Let's generate commit message here, and also let's generate commit message here. And meanwhile, I want to check changes, the code itself. So it was the load step. Let's see. What? Shoot. Is it for real? Huh. Models tab. What the heck? Oh my god. Some of the other age. Oh, fuck. Some of the other sessions so overrode what was done here. Okay, yeah. Next time I will definitely run it in the scope of different work trees because okay, let's just wait for this one to finish. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. But it's a first. And yeah, it's a sign that I definitely need to use work keys. Okay, let's see about this one. So this one, add live transcript toggle to listen fill. Top left, and let's see. Settings, commands, leave session. Field, general, tray, ITC. Okay, so it is going to be, let's see. Backend settings, commands, leave, session. Oh. Yeah, so I don't see session file. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. Yeah, so we definitely run, yeah, through different sessions. Okay, different for freebies. Okay, what is good that even if everything fails and I just wasted like an hour or 40 minutes of my time, and if I can do it properly by the end of the stream, everything, then all of these are still there, not critical issues. They are small improvements, but they are not critical. All critical are already done, so that is good. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask this one. Let's see, new tab. Open. Open switch. Oh, maybe if I started here. Okay, I don't have it running. Yeah, so we just remove no live transcription. Lol. Oh my god. Done. Yeah. Sure. Okay, so since it is done, I can run the application and test it. Okay, let's see. PM agent, deliver type spec, citing Sparkle 1 password VS Code conventions. Check 60 seconds after launch. Then every 24 hours with wake from sleep recheck plus 30 seconds debounce plus 6 hour cooldown. Surfaces ranked, trade power banner, settings. About highlighted, try icon dot later dismissed perversion, no system okay. And I don't like this music, I want to trigger the next one. Forever ever, okay. Tough SVE review, triage. Again the actual diff. Fuck. Oh. Okay, so first of all, let's see. So if I run the Vox here and move to the different. Okay, so it's kind of strange. So again, I run it here. When I moved my cursor to the other screen, pill automatically moved, but when I move my cursor here again, nothing happens for some reason. Okay, what if I do it here and then move cursor? Okay, so strange. Okay, I was able at least to reproduce the issue, but now let's figure out what the heck is going on here. To the top left. Okay, let's see. Give me the list of files that you touched and changed. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, but at least it understood what I wanted. But yes, this one is definitely not English. And this one is because of Parakeet. But Parakeet is fast, and yeah, maybe my accent influences this thing. Okay, and now let's see. Now let's also create a commit message. Okay, update checks. Let's see comments. Lib. Settings. Tray glyphs and tray icon. This one. IPC. Tray popover TS6. About general privacy. Update banner. Mark update. Okay, so basically it saved everything from this session and it removed everything from the previous sessions. But at the same time it says 743 insertions while I actually have 1400. So let's see. Let's go through the... Oh, maybe it's because of comments or something. Auto update, last update, dismissed update. Update state, okay. Check for update now, get update state, and dismiss update, and on update state. Okay, tray popover, dismiss, download, on update, okay. And yeah, tray popover should also be refactored, should. Okay. And listen updates. Show update banner, on update install. Oh my god, more than like 1500 lines of code. Almost, yeah. Yeah, it should definitely be refactored. Update bar, okay, so it is about update. This one looks like about update too. A lot of comments. Relative time. General tab. Okay, let's see. This one. Press voice. Okay. Quick settings. Press voice. Okay, yeah. If I go here to the settings, so yeah, automatically check for updates. It's opt-in by default, and yeah, I'm fine with that. Okay, privacy tab. Yes. Update banner, so it's just completely new scene. Get update state. Wait. Okay. And I will properly test it when I release new version. I will install the previous one again, and I will see how it behaves. Hopefully it works fine. Let's see, so what this does, updater, yes, wait. Okay. Settings. Okay, auto update, check enabled, okay. Yeah, and Rust code should also be refactored, I think. Yes, everything related to update, okay. Gray icon. Gray clean. Okay. Data. Okay, it's completely new file, okay. 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 And what we have here, we have that this one is done. Okay, I think that I want to go slow and it's quite cold here. So now I will increase the temperature and lower the... Oh yeah, I was just tuning my AC. Okay, so this one should be easy. No need to run PM again. Context should be fine. It should all have everything in the context, so it should be pretty quick. Okay, yeah, so agent from another session accidentally deleted everything that you did here, but right now that agent is not running anymore and only you will work. So could you please do everything again? Thank you. Okay, I think it should be pretty quick. But meanwhile, let's see likes and let's do some push-ups. Okay, I have only one like, but I also have one like from Friday, I think, which I didn't use for push-ups, so okay, I will do 10 push-ups then. Okay, so while this one is working, I will run camera, enable AI tracking. Okay, so it can see me, it does track me. Okay, and this one is done, nice. This AI tracking, it honestly sucks. Actually, wait, link, not this one, link. Okay, you'll have it here, that's fine. Let's see, download step and model step. Let's see. So model step first of all. fine, but it is at the bottom and I'm not sure that users will scroll down to it. Maybe I should move it up. Okay, I actually think that it would make some sense to also add the link to the Discord, so let me grab the Discord link. Yeah, and I was able to reproduce the issue, so that is fine. Invite, copy. Okay, so first of all, I think that we should move this section higher, maybe to the all top, right below the active model. Or maybe even higher than that. And also I want to add some link to my Discord server. So basically we need to tell users they can ask additional questions or report issues in Discord. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so this one should be quick too. And yeah, I need to finish in the next 40 minutes. And it means that I have maybe like 25 minutes to finish these two, maybe one more, and then deploy everything, create a final build, and test the auto upload so that it works fine. Oh, and by the way, I should have checked the onboarding flow. Let's see about reply onboarding. And let's see. Next, continue. Accept and download. Okay, continue. Now milliseconds, set now milliseconds, okay. When is it shown? Okay, so basically if it's not moving for 15 seconds, then it will show when. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's test it once again here. We have models here. Yes, it opens. Yeah, it opened. Okay. Nice. And I think that I need to move this even higher. Okay, so it's going to be this one. Good. This card. Okay. And here. Okay. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, okay. Okay, and now we can commit this one, and there was commit message somewhere, I believe. No, live transcript. No, okay, so I need to run it again. Okay. Commit. Okay, we can close this one. Your changes got removed by another agent from another session. Sorry about that. So I want to ask you to make these changes once again. Thank you. Well. Okay, and I pushed a couple of them. So let's see. Let's see by fixing progress. This one is almost done, and this one is also. So basically, I need to add push not deployed, and I need to remove fixing progress. Okay. This one is still in progress. This one, like, I don't know, I wasn't able to reproduce it, and no other users were able to reproduce it too. Let me double check the comment. No, nothing here. I don't know. Okay, so this one, do we have, can't reproduce or anything? Invalid. Closing the issue. Can't reproduce. Closing the issue. Close this comment. Okay. Issues. Okay, view location and a few other files. Anchors confirmed. Now let me apply all the edits. And yeah, it's constantly rebuilding, so I need to stop it. Okay, do I want to look into anything else? Do I want or do I not want to look into anything else? This one spending. Yeah, and for dog, but what should happen when user clicks on the docked app? Should it trigger tray popover or should it trigger settings or interesting. I'm now thinking maybe I should download the Whisper Flow and see how Whisper Flow behaves. Yeah, I will add it to the list. Let's download competitors and see how they work from UX side. I am mostly interested from UX side. UI UX, okay. This one is going to be the first one. Okay. Super Whisper. Oh my god, so... How much do they cost? Free for early access, no credit card needed. Okay, I see. Dusk and night. Okay, let's start with these two, and then we'll see. Great. And it actually will be high priority. Issues, okay, easy. Still working, come on. By the way, what about my limits? 14%, that's fine. And today is going to be a relatively big release with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 improvements at least. I would also love to do this one. Yeah, I will mark it as high priority. Okay, this one is still working again. Okay, why not? Why not? So, I'm honestly thinking about, like, my application is free, and the Vox will always be free, but I'm thinking about adding some kind of donation button or whatever where users can donate, but users should also know about this. So I'm thinking about, like, should I do it first or would it make users angry? And also, if I should do it, how invasive should it be? Like, some notifications after some time. Music stopped. 30 songs already. Rows per page, 50. So yeah, I think that maybe I will do a Reddit post to ask people. New chat, Opus. Okay, how do I see my previous posts? Let's see, side project. What do I have here? Okay. Where is the list of my posts? Reddit. Okay, I'll go to just notifications and I'll do it from notifications. Let's see, can I screenshot it or would it not fit one screenshot? Yeah, I can screenshot it. In this case, I'll just copy it. Okay, is this one still working? Let's double check. Okay, so it runs test, so potentially it shouldn't rebuild it anymore. Hopefully. Where did it? I have an application which I launched on Reddit 1 week ago, 7 days ago, and currently it got close to 200 downloads. And it also got some people in my Discord channel constantly using the app, giving feedback, and me improving the application almost every day, fixing small issues and adding new features. And now, so the application is free, and I want it to be free, but I also want to make some money from it. So I was thinking about maybe adding some donation button or something like that. Maybe like look for how long user was, like if user was able to save 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes with my application, that maybe show him something somewhere that, hey, you already saved 10 minutes if you love the application, support the creator, something in that part. And I want to make a post about this, that I'm thinking about it, that my grid talks to me and pushes me to do it, and I want to ask Reddit community what are their thoughts about it. I have also included my original post, which I posted 7 days ago, for you to understand it, see a little bit of my writing style and all of that. Also, make sure to not use EM dashes. Thank you. Okay. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Okay, so the pill broke with last change. Pill was really ugly. Okay, this one is syncing. I can go back to code. Ah, shoot. Let's see. So first of all, let's try enable it and see how it works. Okay, so let's see how it goes, how it parses my words, and it doesn't. So it is not working. Come on. Okay, so I think that I need to compact it because it's already too big, but I wanted to preserve everything, so let's see. Live transcript, yeah. I did enable it, but if I do like this... Okay, yeah, so this one is fine. But this one is not really working. It's just different pill, but it's not showing anything. And it's 10:10 already. Okay, let's... Oh, actually, no. I want this one to stay because I want to link it. Now let's go here. Let's create a post. Okay, 1 week after launching my free Whisperflow alternative. Grid is taking me over. Okay, ice grid, okay. Quick update for anyone who saw the original post, and I need to link the original post, so let's see. This one. Oh, the original post. Save. Vox free Whisperflow alternative for macOS is close to 200 downloads. There is a Discord now. Okay, let's also provide a Discord link, because why not? And let's provide a Discord link and get downvoted for this. Okay, let's see. Save. Now I'm putting the assumption I didn't think I would be thinking about this soon. Money. Please not my hand. The whole reason this thing exists is that I refused to pay $15 a month for something I would mostly use to dictate prompts. Putting a price on it would feel like missing my own point. But I also can't pretend this is sustainable as pure charity forever. I'm spending real hours on it, so my gut is telling me add a way for people who want to support the project to do so without putting it in front of anyone who doesn't. The specific idea I keep coming back to, track how much the app already tracks how much time the app has saved. Once they cross something meaningful, 10 minutes saved total. Show a small one-time message somewhere unobstructive. Hey, you just saved 10 minutes with Vox. If it's earning a spot in your workflow, you can support the creator here. Animation button, that's it. Things I like about it, the app is fully free and stays fully free, no paywall, no feature gate, no nag every launch. Nobody sees a prompt unless they have actually gotten value out of it. If it doesn't click, they never even know there was an option. It's honest, the math minute saved is the same math I used to justify building this in the first place. Things I'm not sure, but, oh, and actually, yeah, I think the time to run compact should be done. Yes, compact is done. Yep. Okay. Okay, so yes, nothing happens. Okay, so first of all, I don't see live transcript happening. I see that the peel style changed, but I don't see any words appearing in this peel while I'm speaking. Second of all, I see that peel styles in all further modes broke because peel is cut off on the sides basically during transcription polishing mode, so I want you to fix it. Yeah, I enable syncing because syncing should have provided me more time. Fuck. Maybe... Okay, let's see. Okay, so this time it should take much more time because syncing is enabled, and as a result it will spend like maybe 30 seconds to go through all of it, and I'll have fucking enough time to screenshot it. Fuck. Actually, wait, maybe, let's see. Maybe I'm lucky, but maybe not. Add file for focus, desktop. Then, yes, I am lucky. Indeed, okay. Let's see. Yep. And let's disable syncing because we don't really need it. I have added screenshots for both of these cases. Okay, so this one is syncing. Let's go back to here and it's 10:17 already. Shoot. And I still need to deploy it and test. Okay, whether even one prompt feels gross. People are sensitive about being asked for money, even gently. Whether 10 minutes is the right threshold. Too low feels needy, too high, and most people never see it. Not most, and some people. Optional features that don't gate the core flow. Ask, would a message like that bother you or feel fair? If you ship a free app, how did you handle this? What worked and what backfired? Is there a model I am not seeing that fits better here? Not rushing this, just wanted to think, okay. nice. Okay, let's sort by new. Okay. This one is syncing. I changed the title to this one. Now I want to create a similar post but for Cloud AI community, and here is my previous post with them. Okay, and now let's go to Cloud AI. Okay, it was somewhere here. Yep. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to release this particular change today. Because I don't like the current state and I don't have a lot of money and I still want don't have a lot of money, don't have a lot of time, and I still need to test everything final production build. Okay, so I have this post, I will also copy the link. Let's go to Cloud AI. Create post. Build to this. Grid is taking me over. Okay, nice. Add flares, workaround. My coding now build with cloud. Productivity, blah blah blah, news, bug, other, suggestion. Yeah. Add. Okay. Oof. Okay, I will. Post last week, where was it? Here. Post. I don't need this comment. I need only post. Okay. Actually, I need to add this one. Over not two, a couple of weeks. Discord. Discord. Okay. Collecting low reported bugs and asking for features, and I have shipping fixes and small features almost every day. Still player programming for most of it. Now I'm using this question I didn't expect this soon money. I want the app to stay free, not in share. Okay, the whole reason I built this instead of just paying $3 a month was the paying $3 a month for something I would just paid cloud felt wrong. Put the price tag on it now would miss my own point. But I also can't pretend this is sustainable as pure charity forever. Hours are real, so my gut is saying and wait for people who want to support the project to do so without putting it in front of anyone who doesn't. The idea I keep coming to track how much time the app has saved. The app already calculates how much time it has saved the user. Once they cross something meaningful, say 10 minutes saved total, show a small one-time message somewhere unobstructive, hey, you just saved 10 minutes with Vox. If it's earning a spot in your workflow, you can support the creator here. Donation button, that's it. What I like about it, app stays fully free, no paywall, no nug every launch, no feature gate. Nobody sees the prompt unless they actually got value. If it doesn't click, they never even know there was an option. The mass minutes saved is the same, blah blah blah. What I'm not sure about, whether even one prompt feels gross, people are sensitive, whether 10 minutes is the right threshold, too low, too high, and some people never see it, whether donation as a model just doesn't work for an indie app like this, maybe GitHub sponsors once it's open source, maybe something else I'm not seeing. The ask, if you have used Vox, would that prompt bother you or feel fair? For anyone here who has shipped a free app, especially something here, similar tools, how did you handle the money? Is there a model that fits better than a donation button? Not in a rush, just want to think this out loud before doing anything. Okay. And post. Yeah, it's awaiting approval, that is completely fine, and now let's go back to code. Oh my god, it's this. Fuck. Oh. Shoot. Why is it taking so long? Come on. Okay, I will close Reddit for now. I almost feel like I should not... Yeah, I think it's kind of a sign that I should not release this in the scope of the current release, yeah. I won't do it. What I will do, I am going to update the versions. Package JSON 1.4, 1.5. Package, oh, package look 1.5. And I have cargo 1.5. Yes. And I have Tauri config 1.5. here walks 1.5. And what do we have here? Nothing. Entitlement. Nothing interesting. Okay. And now what I'm going to do, so package log, add, package JSON, add, then cargo log, add, cargo toml, add, now reconfig, add. Bump version to 1.5.0. Commit. Okay, and now I need to push. This one is still working and that is completely fine. I will tag 150. Okay, and let's see. Okay, cool. Why does it not display any tags? Okay, so it shows here 150. Okay, so build should be in progress. Let me double check. And meanwhile, I want to install, so was the wrong one. Works releases. Let's see, code. And if I go release latest, it's going to still show 1.4.0. Now, can I see downloads here? Yes, I can. File mode or missing. Okay, I need to open downloads folder. New Finder window. Downloads. Okay, and so I have deleted everything, and that means that I need to install it once again. And this would be actually, I will go just to here and I'll click download as a proper user. I'll install it. Okay. Okay. Open. And there was no onboarding flow because I didn't clean up anything. It's 1.4.0 and I didn't clean up because I want to test auto updater and see how it works. Oh, so I will close it and I'll actually quit it because it's supposed to run automatically in the first 60 seconds after I open the application. Let's see, 1.4. Okay, so let's see, we have fixed in progress for this one, and yeah, it's in progress, and unfortunately it will not be published today. but I think that tomorrow morning it will be done. Run TypeScript, okay. About the release. Still 1 for 0. What do you mean one commit to mains in this release? What? What the heck? Oh yeah, because it's for Vox relay. Yeah, that's right. It's different repos. Okay, I have 3 likes. I already did push-ups for 1 like, so it means that I have to do 10 more push-ups. And the release is still in progress, so I will do push-up meanwhile. Let's see. AI tracking, and hopefully okay. Let's see. This one's still working. Release. Okay, let me double check. Maybe it failed. I will check in my other browser. Okay, no, it is still in progress. Okay, build and release still in progress. Okay, that's fine then. I'll wait a little bit. Okay, let's see. It was usually much faster. It usually took like 5 to 6 minutes at most, but now it's already have been like 7 minutes or something. Okay, it should be done. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay, I was looking at one specific release instead of... yeah. Lol. Does it have any timestamp? 1 minute, okay, that's fine. Ah, shoot. I wanted to test out updater, but my current version doesn't have any auto updater. Okay, so first of all, actually, it's a good scene relatively. So first, I will test updating from the application itself, just in case. About. Lol. I forgot how to check for updates. Hotkeys, modes, privacy. It's in about, I believe. Oh yeah, check for updates. Here. Check. Okay, auto hides repeal. In the VPN firewall or proxy can block model. Okay, install update. Okay, let's see. Everything works fine. Double check. Okay. It is good. Now let's also test models. Yes, this one. We have this one. Let's see. What else should we see? We should see Apple Intelligence models. Clean up each sync in Apple Intelligence. Okay, so no gibberish should provide it. Actually, gibberish should provide it. Let's see. Like, okay, it is usable. Which other improvements did I do? Okay. Okay. Okay, it should be fine. Now let's post it to Discord. Don't switch. Oops. Let me copy the message. Where was it? General. Here I will copy this one. 1.5.0 releases out. Improvements. Let's release the improvements. Post it here, duplicate it here. Okay, and now let's go through all of the comments. So this one is done. Okay, so let's filter by push not deployed. So this one was coming from Discord, so I believe that the user will be able to see
I start my day in silence.
Let me
Where are my slippers? Where's my notebook? My dreams, write them down. Write down your dreams. Write down your dreams. Don't forget to write down
No one
your
requested
dreams.
this one, so I will just remove labels and close it.
More silence. More silence. And now, it's time to go.
Now, test downloading.
My journey to where I'm going is steady and still silent.
Okay, now let's also open this one.
I gather my belongings and my clothes, my garments, my gloves, my socks, start to sing to myself, engage how I feel. I put my clothes on, and still more silence, more silence. Where's my water? Drink plenty of water. Be fluid, be one with water, be one with air. Preparing myself for the adventure, for the purpose of music, for the sound to grow within my belly.
have fixed this one.
I am ready to start my day.
There were some from Reddit, but I don't remember where.
I let my vocals carry me to the next moment.
Okay. Let's see. We have 10 left. This one for tomorrow. And then we'll see. Actually, I think that this scene is okay. I will just not going to work on it since the wording is actually as desired. I will also. Oh my god, this one is too long. Come on. Okay. I think that I will be finishing for today. It was a good and very productive stream. 2 hours and 15 minutes. 10:46 AM. Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, it's Tuesday. And see you tomorrow morning. Have a good day.